It's to do with when we upload new documents into FileBound. So if I come over here and I'm just going to use one of the options to upload a file. I'll come into upload, I'll grab this sample resume, I'll drag it in, and we'll put it against employee details form. That'll do. So if I click on save, we'll see that'll come into FileBound, which we're used to. Here's my sample resume. But the document name has been renamed to document 0001 as opposed to the actual document name, which was sample resume. By coming over to the settings in the new viewer, there's an option up here, retain document name on upload. If I tick that box now, we'll go and upload another document. And I'll let's grab the employee contract.
Oh, Damien, I love how you can drag and drop into the interface.
It's pretty cool, isn't it, Lee?
Yeah.
Very, very cool. So now when that employment contract's come in, it's actually come in named as per the original document name.